In 1944, Hiroo Onoda was sent to Lubang Island with a final order: never surrender and never die. When 1945 came, Allied planes dropped leaflets announcing the war was over. Onoda saw only a lie. For the next 29 years, he lived as a ghost in the trees, waging a one-man war. To survive, he became a ghost. He maintained his rifle with palm oil, keeping it ready for battle. Every storm was a test. He lived through monsoon rains that turned the island into a shifting swamp. He survived on stolen cattle and coconuts, becoming a master of the jungle's hidden resources. He watched search parties from the shadows, convinced their modern equipment was just a clever enemy trap. He watched planes pass far above the canopy, never realizing they were commercial jets, not bombers. His clothes rotted away, so he meticulously patched them with bark and fiber to maintain his dignity. Decades passed, the world changed, but for Onoda, the year was always 1945. In 1974, he finally met a young explorer, the first person to crack his wall of isolation. Suzuki told him the war was long over, but Onoda refused to believe him without proof. Onoda refused to leave until his commander personally revoked his orders. Only then was it over. After 30 years in the shadows, Onoda finally stepped out into a world he no longer recognized. He emerged from the trees a legend, a man who had outlasted an empire through sheer will. Subscribe to witness the most impossible stories of survival ever recorded.